All right. So I just wanted to make a quick video. I know my other ones were pretty long and in depth. These are just another pair. I just got done doing. A lot of people were asking me if the firmware update. I think it's 16 now, I believe. It went from 15.1 to 16. They were asking if the LED mod still works. It does. So I tried it a couple different ways. A different pair I did a couple yesterday, but one of them, what I did was updated it first, and then did the mod and checked it. Everything worked fine. This one I wanted to do a little bit different, so I modified it first, and then I did the update to see. So I tried both ways, to update it before and after, and it works both ways. So there's really no way for me to show you the firmware on these since I'm on my phone, but the easiest way is the record sound changed. So you can hear it's more of like a thud. So, but you have the record light, no record light, and it won't focus, but and then there you go. So yeah, no LED, LED. Let me stop the recording. It's like goofy thud sound now. Yeah, so it works with the new firmware update for anybody that was wondering. Cool. Thanks.